What's going on, guys? Gabriel Beltran again with another short video. Today I want to talk about why it's so important to have a clear vision. So if you don't have a clear vision, let's say this is your brain, you have ideas, okay? And you don't have a crystal clear vision of what you want to achieve, meaning money or goals, right? Or whatever it might be. Might be a house, independent freedoms, a car, certain amount of money on your bank account. If you don't have a crystal clear vision on why you want to get there, and what it is and how much it is defined in literally to details, you're never gonna achieve it, okay? And that is why it's extremely important to set up goals that are crystal clear, not foggy. So for example, I asked a lot of my students, what is your goal? What is your target immediate goal for this month? And if you don't know in a heartbeat, it's because you haven't even set up a goal yet. And the problem with not setting up a goal, let's say my goal this month is to make $100,000. If you don't set up a goal, you are all over the place, okay? You are like, your visual is foggy, it's not clear. You don't have anything against, like anything to lean for, to actually shoot for. So if I'm telling you your goal is $100,000 for the first month, the first thing you gotta do is $100,000 divided by 30, because you need to know exactly how much you need to be doing every single day in order to achieve. A lot of people, okay, let me grab the phone. A lot of people think about the bigger picture, the bigger goal, and they seem to be so far away and impossible to achieve because they don't break it down, okay? So for example, if I grab $100,000 divided by 30, now I know that I need to make $3,333 every single day, and then I know that a weekly I need to make $25,000. Now these numbers are more achievable than $100,000. So for that reason, you're not gonna get the anxiety that you get when you probably think about $100,000, because it seems like a bigger picture, right? When you break it down by that, and the hours actually 33, right, divided by 24 hours, is $138 per hour, okay? Meaning if you're selling a product, okay, that equals to 5 products or 6 products per hour, then that's nothing, okay? Then it becomes really tangible and more achievable. That's why every time you have an idea and you have a goal, you gotta set up a goal. It needs to be crystal clear so they can be in alliance with your goals in order to achieve it. Because if you don't have a goal set up, you always will see everything far away. You don't know how to go there, you don't know how to get there. It's not tangible enough. That's why always have a crystal clear mind and goal, always.